I am going to ASCRS, the American Society of Cataract and Refractive Surgery. At this conference, usually we go to lectures, learn something new, join together with some of our old friends and colleagues from around the country, walk the exhibit hall, take a look at the newest and latest technology from industry. It's really a great time for cataract and refractive surgeons to get together. Alright, so here's this awesome laser.
If you want to get the
Pretty cool.
You see while you're dissecting, it was already lifting up the posterior edge.
Yeah. I was leaving a tag.
Yeah, your fingers there.
Yeah. Oh, look at these colors. It's pretty awesome.
Yes.
Love it. All right. So I'm going to fire this out of here, and I'm ready to shoot. So we're looking for that pattern right there. Yep. All right, here we go. What's up, guys? How are you?
Grab a cookie.
You're in our neck of the woods. You're in our territory. At least Sophia.
Any questions or anything?
No, not at all. Familiar with it, but thank you.
So if you're doing that, can I stand?
Fire now while you spin it around. So cool. That's cool.
During the first few weeks, and somewhat hopefully in hindsight, the surgeon.
Nothing here. It's crazy.
If I could pick,
Oh snap! How you doing?
Yeah. Oh, okay. just push this.
So once you have your image and your sulcus to sulcus average, then you hit the guru button.
Look at that cinnamon roll. They're not big enough. What are you talking about?
I'm having this issue. Like right here.
Yeah.
Can you feel it?
I got it.